Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a vase. This is actually a long vase, a tall vase, and I'll be putting lights inside of it. So I just want to show you some of the things that you can continue to do with the glass fillers. And now I'm making the long one. So if you want to see how to make this crystal vase, just keep watching. Okay, first you want to Mod Podge your vase. This is a long one, so you might want to just work on each end. Make sure that you get everything in the way you want it. So I'll be working with each side. Yeah, I had to change it out because this one is a long vase. Now, however, you might deal with this with a shorter vase. You won't have to go through all this, but the bigger your vase is, then you're going to have to find something that you're going to be able to deal with to be able to put the beading in, to be able to put the crystals in with no problem. I was having problems getting it in the other way, so I had to get something like a tub. Okay, so here I go with the beading. You have to have some place to pour it, so it won't be all over the place. So that's the purpose of doing it like this. Let this dry for like 3 to 4 hours. Then we're going to come back and I'm going to crystallize it again. Now, I wanted to show you, these are bigger glass. You can look at it as you're buying it. For some reason the white comes smaller. There is certain ones that can come big, so these are bigger ones. So when you finish with it, you can kind of like, when everything is dried, I'll show you how to place these on here throughout the vase, which gives it more of a clumpier look, which is really nice. And these are the bigger ones here. So I did kind of mix some up in here, and they do come out bigger. So I'll show you how to place that in there too. But when we finish, this is going to be a beautiful vase. So far this is one coating. So we're going to wait to do another coating, and you can see some of the bigger ones in here now that did kind of, they're here. But by them being so heavy, sometime, you know, maybe on the third coat, I'll be able to put the bigger ones in there to where they'll have something to hold on to. But it's no problem. It'll pick up what it pick up, and that what I need to do, I'll just hand do it myself and show you how to do it. Yeah, now we're back to decorate. I started putting the chip glass around the vase. These right here are more like the crystallized glass pieces that I put on first. And what I did was that I went in and I got the bigger pieces of the glass that comes in the bag, and you just pick out the bigger pieces. So what I do is just got it and I put it throughout the vase. Gives it a more chunkier, bulkier look, and it looks really nice. And this is how I did this. And you just fill it in certain places. Just put it in wherever you want to put it. No particular place. Chip. You could use this also to crystallize, which look really nice. It looks really nice. Just straight crystals. But then, like I said, if you want to come behind it and put these pieces on here, this is the look that you'll get. This is more like a straight crystal here. That's just straight crystal. I don't have any of the bigger pieces on here, so you still get the crystal look. You can do that one, and versus this here. So I did these two just to show you what I'm saying. See, these are the bigger. This is crystallized like this, but I put the bigger ones on here, and this is the look that you'll get more sparkly, glittery. It's real pretty, and then this is just your straight crystals. So we will be getting ready to decorate it. What I want to do though is show you about putting your lights in. I just have it hanging on here for right now. But your lights look really pretty. Once you put your lighting in with it, it looks real pretty. So that would be your lighting that you can put inside of your flowers. And then this would also be your candles when you're laying your candles in. So your candles are really nice in there. Okay, and this is sheer. This is your sheer ribbon. Like I said, you can use any kind of ribbon that you want. So I just get it and tie it. Just make a tie. Here's the sheer. The sheer ribbon, though, you may have to work with it a little bit more than you would the satin ribbon because it's so stiff. But you keep playing around with it, and it'll work pretty good for you. Again too, it'll be a lot easier for you. You did this, and you just wrap it around here, and then you just connect it. do it exactly the way to your cut. So what you can do is just do it like this. It'll look like that when you finish. It'll look real nice, even, and it'll look like that. And you can just put that around there. Then you can put your bow on there. But this time I'm not going to use this here. I'm just going to put the bows on here.